Good morning, dear students. Hope all are fine and safe at home. So, today we are going to see about the October Revolution. In previous class, we have read about the February Revolution, and in that, we have seen that what they have done. They have overthrown the monarchy system and established the democratic government over there. Okay, this thing we have seen in the previous class. Now once again you have to reach in Russia and join the October Revolution. So here now what we have seen in Russia, one side there is a provisional government, on another side Bolshevik group was there. Now due to the fear of Lenin, and he was also right in his place, so what he has done, he has called a meeting on 16th of October 1917. In his meeting, what he has done, he joined the Petrograd Soviet and Bolshevik party together, and now they both are ready or agree to seizure of power of provisional government. Now who was the leader who lead all these things? Someone should be there, no? So because Lenin is there to make programs or policies, see the other thing. So for that they have selected the person name is Leon Trotsky. He was there to lead this troop. Now this they have decided on 16th of October. Now we reached on from 16th of October till 24th of October. The uprising began on 24th October. Here when this was a start, revolt was a start. Here the Prime Minister Kerensky, he was here. What he has done, as soon as the uprising began, he left the city. Why he left the city? Can you answer me? Because he was a prime minister, he should be in the city, but he left the city immediately as riot was start. What was the reason behind that? The reason was behind that, as already we have seen. Now this is the time period of 24th October 1917, and we have seen that the world war was going to be end on 1918. So it means still the war was going on. So that's why he left the city to call, why? To call the troops, because he knows now there is inside the country, inside the Russia, no trained troop was there. So that's why he left the city and went to summon the troop or to call the troop. And when these troops came in the city, now again the both the side, Prime Minister Kerensky, and one side you can see the Leon Trotsky. Both the parties were there, opposition, and they were fighting. What they have done, they did destroying the buildings of this group, and what they have done, now they have also start to destroying the buildings of this group, buildings or whatever things they found, everything which is pertaining to this group trying to destroy. So as we have seen that 16th of October they have planned out everything, but it was implemented on 24th of October. And on 24th of October, as it is mentioned over here, late in the day. Late in the day means, the same day. And what was the same day? The same day was October. Okay, so the same day, what happened here? One ship was there. The ship name is Aurora. Okay, and here this ship shelled the Winter Palace. Shelled means, as you can say, they now start showers of bombs. In Hindi we can say the bombari. Okay, so from that side they start shell on the Winter Palace, and this can be through that Baltic Sea, because Baltic Sea, it was under the Germany, no? So definitely now they were supporting. And the rest of the ships, as we have already seen, this is the river Neva, and left side there was Petrograd Soviet, or you can say the Duma. Then Winter Palace is also this side, which was shelled by the ship Aurora. Now the rest of the buildings, for the rest of the buildings, what they have done, they took the help of the river Neva and the rest of the ships trying to move through this river. And through this river the soldiers now came this side, and what they have done, the rest of the Winter Palace, it was shelled by the ship Aurora. Now the other places were also here, no? So the other places, it was captured by the another soldiers with the help of this river Neva. Okay, when all they were also reached over there that time, after that there were a heavy fighting between both the groups, and it was especially in Moscow. So we have seen in Russia only two places were there, industrial places. One is Moscow and another one is, you can say, the Petrograd, or you can say the St. Petersburg. No, so St. Petersburg already they have destroyed. Now the Moscow also destroying due to this war. So it means now there is a shortage of all the industrial goods. No, shortage of all the industrial goods. And finally, what happened? By the end of the December, it came in the hand of Bolshevik group, or you can say the control of Bolshevik group. Now October Revolution is over. No. So now we are going to see what changed after this revolution. As we have seen in Feb Revolution, after the Feb Revolution there was a change of monarch system. So again, now what changes took a place after this October Revolution? So here now we are going to see what changes took place after October Revolution. So after October Revolution, you can see the first change is here. Bolsheviks, they were totally against the private property. That thing we have seen earlier also, where we have seen that the radicals and liberals, they were in favor of the private property. Why? Because they themselves having a lots of private property, so that's why they were in favor. But now here the Bolshevik group, as we have seen, this group is found through the workers, so that's why they all were against the private property. So when they all were against the private property, that time what they are going to do, as you can see the third point, the lands were declared social property. Okay, then second point is here, as we have seen, this is also according to the Lenin's thesis. This is also according to the Lenin thesis, as Lenin has said that the industries and banks should be nationalized. So after revolution, October revolution, they have done this thing. And here it is mentioned most. Most means, it means not all. Not all. It means still there were some industries and banks which were not coming under the nationalized. Okay, then next what they have done, they have banned the titles, all the titles which is took by the aristocracy. As the same thing we have seen in the French Revolution also, no, when the Jacobin Club was there, and the Jacobin Club also done the same thing. They have also banned the titles and started the one sir and madam. The same way here also they have also banned the title. Then what else they have done here? The fifth point, the partition of the large houses. As we knows this thing, that the nobles ones, clergy ones, they were having such a large house. No. So what they have done, they have done the partition, they have given the portion according to your needs. After that, whatever portion is left, that portion they used for the others, those who are needy person. So this thing is good. Then next, they have now also staged a new uniform for the army and the officials. Then another thing what they have done here, they introduce one Soviet hat. And how they began this? They began this with the competition. One competition was there, cloth competition in 1918. It means now we reached in 1918, because here we are in October. We are in October. So after October, these places changes took place in November, and after November, December, now we reached in 1918. And in 1918 they had a one competition, and in that competition they have selected one Soviet hat, which is also known as a Bundelnovka. Okay, as same thing we have seen there also in the French Revolution. They have also selected one cap, red cap, which is known as a fragile. No, the red fragile cap. The same way here also they have selected one cap. Next change, you can see Bolshevik party was renamed the Russian Communist Party. Okay, so this is also one more change. Then Again, in November 1917, what happened here? What the Bolshevik they have done? They have conducted the election. Okay, here November 1917 elections, but assembly rejected Bolshevik. What happened? The Bolshevik they have conducted one election in November 1917, soon after that October Revolution. But here assembly rejected these Bolshevik group. So when the assembly rejected these Bolshevik group, now what Lenin has done? Lenin has rejected assembly, or you can say the dismissed assembly. So again you can see that again means the same system is coming, undemocratic or monarch, not monarch, dictatorship. Then next here what happened in March 1918. Now this is the time period when we have seen that the First World War is going to be end 1918. So now we reached in March 1918, and in March 1918 what happened? The Bolsheviks they made peace with Germany, though the Germany is against Russia. So here what they have done, they made peace with Germany, though their political parties they all were against this decision, but then too these Bolshevik made peace with Germany. So now what does it shows? It shows now they become a dictator. Then Bolshevik became one party to participate in the election. So when one party to participate in the election, if such kind of condition is there, can you imagine there is a like democratic election? No, because there is no choice. Only one party election means against the country came under the undemocratic system. So in this way Russia became a one party state. Russia became a one party state, you can see here. One more thing what they have done, they have introduced the secret police system which were known as a Cheka, and later on this police system was known as a OGPU and NKVD, means secret police organization which is working for the king, or which is working for the dictator, or which is working for the person who is ruling over there. So Bolsheviks were ruling over there, so these secret police organizations working for the Bolshevik group. If anyone is speak against the government or against these Bolshevik, what they were doing, they put them in the prisoner. Okay, so because of all these policies, so many became disillusioned. Because of the censorship the party encouraged. Okay, so these all were the changes took place after the October Revolution. So thank you class. Rest of the things we will see now.